see now on our USD JPY for the day. As we can see, I will start on my daily time frame. On our full time frame, as we can see, we are actually on an uptrend move on our USDJPY, and I will continue be looking for that uptrend. Personally, still looking for that uptrend to hit this our previous higher highs. We can see our previous higher highs, then our price drops. I will take here as our support, if you can call it. Our price goes up, it drops, it pushes up again, it drops, and now it is actually giving us another bullish move. So I am waiting for a bullish continuous push up on our USD JPY. I think that should be giving me about 80 plus pips, 80 to 90 close, 90 pips to grab by tomorrow. Then I'll actually be looking for a drop again. So above all, I am waiting for a bullish move, or trying to take a bullish move on our USD JPY. Now let's sit on our USD index. By the way, as we can see, our index, we are still on an uptrend move. If you are to take it on our 4-hour time frame, you see pull up, push down, pull up, push down, and now we can see our price has gone bullish, breaking our previous higher highs. Here you can see it. This is our new higher highs, but this was our previous higher highs. So our price broke our previous higher highs. It is actually a good uptrend move, right? And now we actually add a drop again. So what, after this drop, we are still aiming for a bullish move again. Exactly what we are aiming for. So on our index, USD index, we are looking to actually push up. That is why we would actually be seeing that push up on our USD JPY. You can see on an indication of our price action like this, we are still seeing it. Like if you are to analyze it from our support and resistance, so now that it has hit our support, we are aiming for it to go to our resistance, so that is another one reason to take your buy. Our index is actually showing us a bullish move to take it on our DXY. If you see it, that is another second reason to take your buy. And we can see now our price is now above our 10-period moving average. You see it on our daily time frame. You see it, daily time frame is actually a good area to actually analyze your moving average, and you can see it, except our price is below our 10-period moving average, then we can consider shorting. But since it is above our 10-period moving average, I am still taking a buy. So that is another 3 reasons why we should be taking our buy to our USDJPY. So that is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you.